Hi friends, my name is Rocky from the Media Stock, and in this tutorial I will cover how to use my new 50 premium callout pack for After Effects users. So let's start the tutorial. The first thing you will find the home composition, which is open by default, which is this here. From here you can open up the content browser or open up some blank compositions from here. These are 4 blank compositions I have made for you, or you can create by your own from composition in composition and select it from here. Right, so let's talk about the content browser. Just open it up. From here you can see all the 50 callouts is placed nicely here. Make sure the resolution is full so that you can see clearly all of the callouts. You can open any of the callouts by double clicking on it. Let's see, open this one, double click it, and you can see a subcategory is open here, which is callout 6 preview. It has 10 variation. Let me maximize this. You can see top 4 is kind of same. See, the line is from the left side, and the middle 4 from the right side, and the bottom 2 from the top side. There's some variations you can use. You can use same type of callouts in one footage, or you can use some variations as you want. Right, let's open up another one. Let's set this one here. You see, same thing here with some variations. So all of the 50 comps have their own variations, so you can use it pretty much with any footage. Okay, so let's close this one, and in the second folder you can open all of the 50 callouts. You can see here by manually from here, and their placeholders inside them, inside the folders. Right, I don't need to change anything to the assets folder, so just ignore it. Now let's talk about how to track your footage and how to use single callout in one footage and also multiple callouts in one footage. So let's open up any blank compositions. Now here is the important thing. If you want to use only one callout in one footage, in this case you don't need to create any composition or open any composition. You can go directly to the callout and drop your footage underneath there and track it or keyframe it, and you can render it directly from here. But if you want to use multiple of the callouts in one footage, then you have to create or open or choose any of the blank compositions. Then you have to import your video and drag it in here, and then one by one you have to drag the callouts which you want to use on top of the video. Alright, that's important. So I'm going to import this one, okay, and I'm going to drag and drop here. The footage is exactly 1280 by 720p. But keep in mind, if your footage is a little bit distorted or a little bit big enough, you see it's 1920 by 1080p, you might wanna fit to comp the footage. So to do that, right click, transform fit to comp, or Control Alt F. Okay, that will perfectly fit your video into the composition. That is kind of important. Let's just come back to the content browser and select or choose a callout. Let's see, I'm gonna use this one, the 27. Okay, open that up, and in this case, depending on my footage, I'm gonna use this one, okay, or this one. This is the same. The line is coming from the right side, which is right for me. So I'm gonna open that. Here it is. Now copy and paste the footage into this callout folder and drag this underneath this place footage layer. Okay, or you can directly drag the same footage underneath here. Please don't move it anywhere. Okay, if you move the footage in the main com little bit, then you have to copy this one and paste the footage there so that it's properly. Okay, keep in mind, don't move it the main footage here and move this one someone like this, so the callout track will not be perfect in this way. Okay, so if you move this one, remember to exact copy this one and paste it here and drag it in the bottom. Now here you can see that the callout is a little bit larger, so we had to scale it down. So go to here, text scale. I'm gonna scale this down a little bit. Yes, this is fine. Also the dot scale. Yes, I'm gonna move this one. Also the pointer. Good. Now here's the thing, you can manually keyframe both of these, also the text and the pointer. If your footage is not too complex, then you don't have to drag it, you can manually do keyframe it. Let me show you. Here's my footage. Okay, so I'm gonna go to first and select my pointer move layer, hit P and keyframe the position here and drag this one somewhere like here, then move a little bit 2 seconds and just keep track of the position, but manually. In this way you don't have to track. Okay, but in some footage it might not be perfect. You can also animate this one. Let's see, hit P, position, forward, downward, again top, as you like. Okay, like so. But if you want to track it, then turn off these positions. Let's track the footage first. Let me show you the tracking features. To track, you have to open up the tracker control here from the window, and from here the tracker. You can dock it anywhere you like. Let's make some place here. Yes. Now select the footage you want to track. Now go to track motion. Okay. Make sure your resolution is set to full. Now here's the tracker point 1. And then I'm gonna increase the search area, the tracker point, and just select the position you want to track perfectly. You have to set the cursor to the beginning of the footage. Just do that. Okay, after you place the tracker point perfectly, you need to hit the play button. For the tutorial purpose, I will just drag it to the 3 or 4 seconds. Okay, it's crossed the 4 seconds, so I'm gonna hit stop. Now you can see the tracker is perfectly tracked the position. Now here's the important part. After the tracking is complete, click on this edit target button, and from here just select the pointer move. Okay, don't select any of this, the callout can be affected. Alright, so select only the pointer move and hit OK. After that, hit apply X and Y. Okay, now you can see on the video there's some keyframes created. Don't do anything with it, just hide it. And the pointer move, hit U, you can see also there are some keyframes created. Now you can see your footage is tracked perfectly with the null object. Now if you want to move the text also, you have to do it manually. So position here whatever you like, and you can create that. After the tracking and all of the thing is perfectly done, just delete the footage from here. Come back to the main blank composition where you drop your actual footage already. Then you have to drag and drop your 27.5 this which you tracked already into this blank composition. So just navigate this 27.5 callout from here, 27.5 this one, or here's a shortcut, you can find it instantly. So go to this subcategory from where you open the callout, right click, reveal the source layer. By that you can instantly find the callout composition. Now go to the blank composition here and drag this on top of the video. Okay, again don't move it anywhere, it's fine. Let's see, it's perfectly tracked. I'm gonna set the marker to 4 seconds because I have tracked to 4 seconds. Alright, so let's import another callout here. Alright, so let me see. So I'm importing the same type of callout here, which is 27_6 source project here. So I'm gonna drag this on top of it also, open that out and copy this one to here. Alright, again I'm gonna track some different portion of the footage, track motion. Edit target, select this pointer move, OK, apply X and Y. Delete the footage. That's it, good. Also move it. Also move the text layer. It's going downward. Or go to upward, I guess. Yep. Now just cross these things. Come back to the blank composition. Now you can see the callouts is tracked and positioned perfectly. By these steps you can use any of these callouts into one footage or how many footage you like. One more important thing, after rendering the footage with your desired callout, don't forget to delete the keyframes or turn off the stopwatch of them so that you can use it later. Alright, changing text, image and color is pretty easy. First, open up any of the callouts from here. All the callout features are same. Just open this one. Alright, now to change the text, you can see there is two text folder. Let's go inside here and change. You can change the font from here and spacing if you like, and it should change the text. If you're using any footage, so open up any footage composition, this one. Okay, there will be a image holder. Delete this one, import your footage and just drag it down to fit to comp, and if you can see, this is done. Alright, to change color you have to click on this color control, which is provided in each of the callout composition, and from here you can change all of these parameters, color and also some adjustment but scaling and some kind of stuff here. all of the callouts has the same settings. After you make all of the changes like changing text or images or the tracking, you can set the in and out point. I want to render only this portion to 4 seconds. After that, you can go to composition, add to render queue, and then set the render quality to best, resolution to full, hit OK. Output module and select the video format you want to render. I'm gonna set it to QuickTime. Hit OK. Output to where you want to render it. So set the folder and hit render. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to assist you.